My name is Kevin Jacobs. I'm the product manager with CADDY, and I'm here to introduce the new snap to stud bracket, the STS2346. Three things about this product. One is its ease of installation, rigidity, and its superior versatility. For the ease of installation, we've created a new feature, the snap to stud. This allows you to get your initial install, allows you to also make any final adjustments necessary before securing this permanently to the stud. The second bullet point is rigidity. We not only have our traditional 2.5, 3 and 5/8 far side supports, but we've also allowed multiple contact points to the stud. So you can use this on any stud depth from 2.5 to 6 inch on the open or closed side and still maintain rigidity to prevent pushback and eliminate those issues, trim out issues on a job site. The last bullet point is versatility. Versatility really comes through the benefit of not only the multiple stud depths open and closed side, but it allows you to mount this on the right or left side of the stud, and also allows to mount data next to power by nesting these products. That is the introduction of the STS2346 snap to stud bracket from CADDY.